Roll that shit up, man. Roll that shit up, man.
I got 40 on me. Yeah, man up.
Oh, you up? You up?
It don't matter.
I already made that one. Now you gotta put a little bit something in it though.
Like this?
Yeah.
Just throw it in that bitch.
Hold on, which one?
You gotta stay behind the white pole, the black pole. Yeah, you good?
Look, $20 shot.
Oh shit, he made that bitch.
Oh! Haitian Jew to go.
Hey, I got it for me. Hey, fuck you,
Hey, I got that blow. Hey, I got that blow on that one. I got that blow on that one.
I ain't gonna lie, and I'm scared of bet again, bitch. You feel me? Because we out here with the Z, big Z's, feel what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga, motherfucking CJ in this bitch. Boy, big gambling, but I just came out here, one little dub. But you know the boy got it though. You know what I'm saying? The boy got it though.
Take that nigga like Jordan.
I got you. Ain't going nowhere.
Another challenge.
Hold up. I got it. It's me and him on this one.
Okay.
Run it. Run it again.
That's why I ain't want to bet again. I knew he wanted to buy. Hey, bet these niggas, man. Damn. Oh, I want to go again, but nah.
Why you working out like that, ho?
I'll be back though.
Why not, nigga? I'm right now.
Them boys big gambling, boy. Them boys ain't bullshitting out here, man.
We go to you first. You tell me man, give me a credit shot, nigga? Who? It's the youth fair. When you go to the youth fair, you give me a credit shot? Hell, now let me tell you that.
Like CJ, feel me? We out here, nigga. Big Z.
One time,
We out here, man. Them boy been 50 on throwing a fucking ball in the trash. Right there, right? Yeah, that's all in your pocket.
Shopping at Family Dollar.
Thank you. That's what's up, baby. Listen, my name is Haitian Jew. I rap, I do music. I wanna what? What happened?
You Haitian.
What?
I was just with your brother, and I was listening to your music. We was watching your shows.
Man, shut up.
He got the crazy girlfriend, the crazy baby mamas. Damn, I can't think of your brother name. I was just with your big brother. Yeah, and he was like, I was like, what that is you listening to? I said, that nigga Slime. And he went on YouTube and showed me 2 of your videos. My name Treese. Dang, he got my phone.
Damn,
I got him on Facebook.
Jimmy, his name Jimmy.
Yeah, I was just with him. We was just looking you up.
That's what's
yeah,
up.
Nigga, your music be slime.
For real?
You be slime.
Like on some low key
catch
shit.
it in a motherfucker. As soon as you hear it, you go to like, okay.
Right.
Yeah, nigga, you're doing your thing.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Can you put somebody else on? See how God works.
Nigga, you doing your thing, nigga.
Thank you, God.
I love your videos.
Thank you very much.
I love your YouTube videos.
Appreciate that, baby.
All right. I was just with him.
That's crazy.
I was just with him. I swear to God.
Yeah, you can get you a few more things, baby.
Oh, shit. Guy, he was just showing me no videos. Yes, I love your YouTube videos. I love the effort and the work you put in them. It's like a story. All of them a story.
Right.
When the nigga with the lighter. Remember the nigga with the lighter rod? When he came in, he dropped the lighter.
And you know my peoples do that woo stuff. You niggas better not play with me. And you know a nigga keep that K with me.
And you noticed it at the end of the video.
Right.
You know I'm not bullshit.
Facts. You really fuck with me, but that's love though, for real.
Yep. He had to play it back for me. He said, see, you ain't catch that. The nigga was lighter rod.
Right.
And he played it back. I like that shit, man. This my nigga locked up, man. Yeah, I love your fucking videos. You probably know my man, Lola. Across town.
No, so George.
Oh, everything? Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I know.
Yeah,
It's all for her.
You'll be the next to blow, bro.
Appreciate that, yeah.
I swear to God.
No, man, you think that's genuine. I really feel
I
like
swear to God, that you gonna be the next blow because the effort you put in your shit, it's like there's no other. Like, these niggas out here lame.
Right, they just shooting, you know what I'm saying? I really putting,
Yeah.
you know, money and thought into it, you know, so that we can.
Hey, baby, I'm out here with Haitian Jew. Haitian Jew. Yeah, he rap. He well known. He at the dollar store. He paying for my stuff. I seen him at the dollar store. He offered to pay for my stuff. He's so sweet, baby. This nigga flying in a motherfucker. I wish you could see this nigga outfit in his shoes. That nigga flaw. Huh? What happened, Daddy? No, baby, no, I already did. I'm already took out that you. I bought a plan this morning. So now my phone is unlimited. Later.
Nice to see you again.
All right, I can record right now.
All right. Here you go. Let's get you somebody else to get them.
Hell yeah. I know everybody can do this. Yeah. Come on, baby. Look, that's how you do. Just check him out. That nigga cleaner than a motherfucker, ain't you? Ain't no nigga out here flying that nigga. Come on, baby.
Oh yeah.
What's your number?
Yeah, you back though. See, it's 305 still though. 993 8814. You sure you don't want to get you something? No champagne, no wine.
I'll take a little champagne, bro. That's some legit.
Alright, come on, nigga.
See, look, this how fans do. See, I got my cousin out, Jay. That nigga, he telling me he gonna treat me. This a real nigga do. You feel what I'm saying? First, he gonna buy me a little wine. Something like.
Yeah, 1738. So. You want to build there? Yeah. Get one. I had the white one. That's that shit. Man, really, you gonna get that big one, bro? Get the white one, man. Come on, God, get the white one, bro.
Let me get the white one.
You don't want to be in the car with that pink shit, man.
Hold
Love pink, bro.
Hold that white one good.
Bro, I'm telling you, that's that shit. That's that
Cuz say get the white one, we gonna get the white one.
Them guys, let me get,
that's that shit. Yeah. That's that shit. Give me a cup. Let me get a cup.
French fries.
Real nigga do real shit. And bro, matter of fact, when I was selling t-shirts, he bought my last t-shirt from me, dog.
Yeah, they told him.
And they told him, bro, really support, bro. And he like fam. He is fam. He got,
Man got to support.
his daughter, my cousin, he like my cousin.
Man got to support.
I'm talking about that nigga had gave me to grab a bottle, you know what I'm saying? That's what real niggas do though. Another nigga like, you don't want no bottle? Alright, fuck it.
Oh Yeah, my
With a couple ice at, Bob. Shout out to my nigga Jay, man. You dig? Z shit, man. Real fam. You feel what I'm saying? You seen how niggas get popped up. Popped out with a ball. I'm gonna pop that bitch on cam.
Yeah.
Wait on.
You did. What they call you? Endo. Nigga Endo. I'm gonna get this in a drink. Hit him up though, see if he gonna, hit him up real quick.
Nah, but look, I got somebody on my list.
Yo. What up with the hustle? Yeah, cool up, man. I'm talking about, I done pulled up on Endo, and he like, well, I know you from somewhere. And I'm like, shit, you know, I don't know, bro, like, you know, he don't look familiar. But then, I don't know, your name got brought up. He was like, damn, matter of fact, Hustle Man be posting this shit, you know what I mean? Yep. Yeah, you know this Jew, bitch. Hey, I'm over here telling the little brother, I'm just, you know, doing a little promo runs and shit. And then my boy Show hollering at Endo in the car and shit. He's like, man, hold up, man, I know who you is, bro, da-da-da. And I'm like, bro, that really fucked though, like that, you know what I'm saying, that you know, you just never know where the promos go, you know what I'm talking about? So shit, I was just letting you know. Yeah, nigga, I already know, man, nigga Hustle Man, real nigga, man. Support me from day one, bro. Right, fact, you know what I'm talking about? Bro, done been everywhere, like Texas, Lauderdale, bitch, we been there, done that. Atlanta, bitch, where you wanna go, bitch? Yeah, he told me he just told me he got a studio. I'm saying we about to link up right now. He just, real nigga, man. Hustle Man AK or Hustle Man TV. Y'all go follow my nigga Hustle Man, man. Straight up, man. Real supporter, man. Real nigga, man. No fake, no fugazi. Nigga a Honda. Bruh said, damn, I know you from somewhere. Bruh like, damn, I know you from somewhere. Like, damn, what the fuck? How I know you? Then he like, matter of fact, Hustle Man, I seen you on Hustle Man page. Hustle Man promote you. So that real, bro, I respect that, bro. That's love, man. No money, I ain't pay Hustle Man a dime. You know what I'm saying? That's just love, show support. That's how you support one another. You know what I'm saying? Because the Hustle Man would have never did that. You know what I'm saying? Who knows who knew me, who not knew me. So shout out Hustle Man.
You know what I'm saying? Top drive motherfucking record, you know what I'm talking about, Haitian Jew.
Yeah.
Showtime, you know what I'm talking about, it's love, baby, we finna work.
Let's do it, let's do it.
Hustle Man.
Shout out to Hustle Man. You feel me, Hustle Man? We 8K, follow him on Hustle Man TV on YouTube, Hustle Man 8K, and Hustle Man TV on IG, man. Realest nigga, man, real nigga. Real,
baby.
We out. Haitian Jew.
I think I heard of you before.
You think so? Yeah, I'm going to TCC. Yeah, I was supposed to have a show, Rum Jungle, but this thing, man, I did wire, but check me out, music, listen to YouTube.
Okay. Is it straight hip-hop or?
Yeah, it's like both. I have like a little bit of both. Now he police. Got caught with a brick and got caught with 2 sticks. And he put it on me. I used to trap out the mega, but I used to smoke on the regular. Now I be smoking on medical. Remember the time when my cousin got flipped? It wasn't him. Got caught with it. I do not fuck with it. It's like a movie, you know what I'm saying?
I'm feeling that. I'll be honest, I don't really listen to rap. Just 80s and 90s.
Right.
They be talking so much bullshit, man. I like real shit. Something that gotta mean. you know, to be honest.